Seventh, enhancing pollution prevention and control and ecological conservation and promoting continuous environmental improvement. We will implement the Sustainable Development Strategy. We will continue to intensify efforts to improve the environment by strengthening comprehensive measures on air pollution control and the control of fine particulate matter and ozone pollution. We will also clean up sewage outfalls into seas and rivers and black water bodies in cities. We will further restore our ecological system so that our people could enjoy blue skies and clear water. We will take solid steps toward the goals of achieving peak carbon emissions and carbon neutrality. We will draw up an action plan for the carbon emissions to peak by 2030. We will improve the industrial structure and energy mix. By promoting the clean and efficient use of coal, we will make a push to develop new energy sources. We will also support green financing development with dedicated policies. As a member of the global village, China will take practical measures and concrete actions to contribute to climate change control.